So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again, and today I am back with a very different kind of a video. And guys, this video is related to an issue. So I know a lot of you have been facing the same thing. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this is one launcher grip and this is one launcher. So most of the time when we try to put a launcher inside the launcher grip, it fits amazingly and it comes out smoothly. But there have been scenarios when you put the launcher grip and it doesn't come out. I know you all have been facing this issue, and guys, I am very tired of this thing. So let me show you how and when it gets stuck. So guys, as you can see that I have 4 launcher grips right now here, and this launcher grip is the currently one which doesn't give any issues. The rest of 3 gives issues all the time. So guys, let me show you the issue. So guys, if I put my launcher inside this grip, it won't come out, guys. If I try to take it out, it's gonna break the launcher. So guys, that's the issue. It's too tight. If I try to take it out, it's gonna break the launcher. And guys, the only way to get the launcher out is to open the grip and the launcher both. That's how I can get this out, and that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, let me open these 2 things and let me get the launcher out of this grip, and then I'm gonna tell the fix how to fix this issue. So guys, we got this thing. Even if I try to take this out, guys, I will end up breaking my launcher. It's not gonna come out. And guys, I tried to take this thing out of one of my launcher grips and this thing broke in 2. So the only solution is to open the launcher. So I'm opening the launcher as well. Okay. So now guys, we got this out. Let me put the launcher back again. So guys, every time I put the launcher inside a grip, that much issue I have to face it. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you my fix, what fix I have to do to make this work so that it won't get stuck anymore. So guys, you saw my power grip and launcher had no issues going in this one. It never gets stuck. So let me show you one more time. You can see it went pretty easily and it came out pretty easily. But not the same thing with this guy. See, if I try to put it, it's gonna get stuck. And guys, the reason behind is that there is just a small bit of teeth in these launchers. So guys, when these launcher teeth, they grab onto this part, it never comes out easily, and that's why it gets stuck. And guys, let me show you why we are not facing the same issue. So guys, I hope you can see the thickness between this and this part of these launchers, and since this one is thick compared to this guy, and that's why the launcher gets stuck in the grip. So guys, if somehow we can reduce this thickness, the launcher will not get stuck anymore. And guys, to make this part thin, you have to get a file so that you can file this part. So guys, I'm gonna file this part, and when I can see the perfect fit, then I'm gonna stop and assemble this thing. So give me some time to file this guy and I'll be back and I'll show you the result if it fits or not. So guys, I have completed the filing and you can see the thickness has been reduced, and I hope you can see this finish as well. So guys, I am pretty happy with it. Let me try to put the launcher in it and let's see if it gets stuck or not. So here we go, and you can see guys, it's a very tiny bit tight and it goes properly in. So now I think we are in a pretty good spot. I am pretty happy with the result. So let me put the launcher together. So guys, now we are ready for the test. Let me try to insert the launcher. And you can see it goes pretty easily. Let me take it out, and it comes pretty easily too, guys. So guys, that's my mod to put the launcher in the grip, and I guess for me it's working pretty fine. And for the comparison guys, let me show you 3 of them together. So this was the power launcher which was working without any mods. So you have seen this one, and this one guys, we just filed it to accommodate the launcher properly. And guys, this one is still thick as you can see. So it still needs modification. So guys, now you can see this was the power launcher which was working earlier, and this one we just filed. So that's how it is working pretty fine. So guys, after this modification, you can insert your launchers in your grips pretty easily, and you can take out them pretty easily as well. So guys, I just wanted to share this mod with you because I have seen a lot of people on internet saying that their launcher is getting stuck in their grip and they have to open the launcher and the grip to get it out. So guys, I hope my fix would help you, and if it does, please give this video a like, a share and subscribe to this channel. And I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.